Yeah, I put this in the group also. I was one of the biggest suppliers to Microsoft. 15 साल से मेरे कॉन्टेक्ट चले गए थे दूसरे जगह पे तो कट हो गया. But I grew initially very much because of their supplies. तो एक कॉन्टैक्ट था जिसके पीछे मैं पड़ा था, एंड बिकॉज आई हैड नॉट सप्लाइड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, आई वाज दे रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज अ वेंडर आल्सो. दैट इज अनदर
Okay.
thing which they do. We don't supply, or they don't give inquiries, but that's not their cup of tea. It's our problem.
Mm-hmm.
But कुछ ना कुछ करके आज एक कॉल आया, 2 दिन से बात चल रहा था. टुडे फाइनली आई गॉट बैक आफ्टर 15 years into that company again.
Wow.
It is a good order, around 3.5 lakhs ka.
Yes.
More than the value. Getting back into something which had helped me grow in my earlier days, that's a very positive sign. So that's what I wanted to tell.
Yeah, very happy for you. Congratulations. आज से 15 साल पुरानी चीजें. I don't know what is the coincidence, but congratulations. Thank you for sharing.